Alright, eSIM Studios. I am recording on the S23 Ultra. This is the front camera, Ultra HD 4K in 60 frames per second. Now, when you watch this, do me a favor. I want you to go to up in the top right, hit settings, and then hit quality, and then hit advanced, and then choose the very highest quality that is available, because to really get the degree of how good these cameras are, you need to and this is the front camera, but you need to choose the best quality possible. I'm shooting in the best quality possible, so I need you to choose the best quality possible damn hair for your device, because it's probably not 100% of the quality of this device, of this sensor on the front camera of the S23 Ultra, but it's probably going to be pretty close. Let me hit the back camera right now, and so you can see what the back camera looks like. It's in a big parking lot here, so it should be a pretty good view. All right, check this out. So let's do the back cameras. Ready? That's 1x. There's no zoom on Ultra HD 60 frames per second. I just see 1x. Let me see if I can zoom in with pinch to zoom. Yeah, there we go. So here's 2x right there. Go back to 1. There's 2. Let's see if I can zoom in on something. We'll do that HEV sign. Here's 4x. And then let me go up to 10. So that's 10x, Ultra 4K, 60 frames per second. I think the pixel on the back camera actually gets better photo quality, video quality on 10x on the pixel. Let me see if this will go any farther. No, 10x is as far as it goes on the back at 4K, 60 frames per second. I will do a test comparison though, because I'm interested to see. I believe the pixel gets better quality on 10x on the video. Now, I'm not sure, because I don't normally record in 4K just because of the size of the file. But since I have a 512 gigabyte device now, I can shoot all the 4K I want. So that's the video camera. Okay, now here is the Google Pixel 7 Pro 4K 60 frames per second. I know I just shot the S23 Ultra, but let's compare, because I could have sworn the 10x is better on the Pixel. So there's 2x. There's 5x. I can tell that's already better. Now, let's see if I can go to... That's 10 right there. So that does look better. Now this goes all the way up to 20x. The S23 Ultra only goes to 10x on video on 4K at 60 frames per second. So let's see it at 20x. That's 20. It's a pretty good shot. That's definitely better than the that 20x shot. It looks better on the 7 Pro than it does the S23 Ultra. Cool. Wow, interesting. I'm going to link these two videos together, so if you see a split in the video, you know what it is. Testing two different phones. Wow. So the Pixel 7 Pro beats the S23 Ultra in quality. Now, I think this is a digital zoom on the Pixel 7 Pro, and I'm sure with the S23 Ultra, I'll have to look at the specs, but regardless of whatever the digital or regular zoom does look better, video on the Pixel 7 Pro zoomed in. And we'll do more testing here in the near future, so stay tuned to the channel. Peace.